Your car's silent partner works every second you drive. Your automatic transmission is an amazing piece of engineering. A complex box of gears, clutches, and hydraulic passages. Fluid is its lifeblood. It works tirelessly behind the scenes so you can just put it in drive and go. But one small habit, repeated, can become a financial nightmare. Catastrophic failure starts with preventable mistakes. A bill bigger than a decent used car? It happens. Strange noises, harsh shifts, then worry sets in. The good news, it doesn't have to be this way. You don't need to be a pro to protect it. Most damage comes from innocent habits you can change today. Think of your transmission as the heart of your drivetrain. It pumps hydraulic pressure to make every shift happen smoothly. Sudden shocks and dirty fluid are like a junk food diet for that heart. It may feel fine until damage quietly stacks up. Let's keep your car's heart strong for a very long time. Here's the countdown of 7 things to stop doing right now, plus what to do instead. Mistake 7. Shifting from reverse to drive while still rolling. You're in a hurry, so you slam it into drive. That clunk is a shockwave through gears, clutches, and bands. Do it often and you can crack a gear or burn a clutch pack. Fix. Always come to a complete stop, then shift. Give the internals a moment to stop before changing direction. Fast fact, the radiator also cools transmission fluid. If the engine overheats, the transmission overheats too. Keep coolant fresh, radiator clean, and the system healthy. Mistake 6. Rope towing an automatic with drive wheels on the ground. The internal pump runs with the engine. Off means no lubrication. A few miles can cook clutches and warp parts. Solution: flatbed tow is best. If not, lift the drive wheels. Front up for FWD, rear up for RWD. Avoid rope or chain towing. Related engine tip: always use the exact oil weight your manual specifies. Mistake 5. Running low or dirty fluid. The silent killer. Low fluid draws air, reduces pressure, and overheats the system. Old fluid carries debris that sandblasts valves and solenoids. Check monthly. Fluid should be bright, not brown, and never smell burnt. Follow fluid and filter intervals. Do not skip to save money. Sealed for life is misleading. Have a qualified shop service it per schedule. Mistake 3. Using drive when towing or descending long grades. The transmission hunts and builds heat. Solution: enable tow haul to hold lower gears and cut shifts. No tow haul? Manually select a lower gear. Let engine braking save your brakes and fluid. Before heavy loads, check coolant and clean radiator fins. Mistake 2. Ignoring noises, harsh shifts, or warning lights. A small leak and cheap seal today beats a rebuild tomorrow. Pros can scan for codes and pinpoint issues early. Sometimes it's just a faulty engine sensor causing bad shifts. Act fast to avoid massive costs. Mistake 1. Revving a cold engine in park or neutral. Cold oil hasn't circulated. Revving adds wear. ATF is thick. Revving in park churns the pan, not the system. Best warm-up: idle 30-60 seconds, then drive gently. Driving lets the torque converter engage smoothly and heat evenly. Here's your one-line checklist for a healthy transmission. Stop completely before shifting. Look at your fluid regularly. Listen for strange noises and act early. Be gentle when cold or under heavy load. These simple habits add years and save thousands. Driving should be a pleasure, not anxiety. Protect your investment and your wallet. That's smart driving.